So good day everyone, this is my bike from Sandugu, the Brusko Sawtooth version 2. This is a 27.5 plus size medium frame. This is my handlebar with PNW loam grip, ABR handlebar and Pro Hanson stem. 31.8 clamping, 35mm extension and wrist headset. The saddle is entity from Polygon T8. And this is my drivetrain, series Cogs 12 speed, Diore M6 100 12 speed, series chain 12 speed din, and Z-Race na crankset. And I'm currently using Shimano BB52 and Frank Brothers Candy pedal. And this is my wheel set, stock rim, stock spoke, stock tires with Diore XT rotor and Speed 1 Soldier hub. Shimano MT200 brake with 180mm rotor from Weapon. And this is the fork, Santor Axon 34 140mm boost.
Biraras! Dali or kayo niya eh.